Managing PDFs is boring, and that's why with Sign365 we've made the upload and the management process that much simpler for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to set up some forms, and it's only going to take us a couple of minutes. Okay, so here we have the Sign365 Admin Center, and what you're going to be greeted with is this tile here when you first initially join. And what you're going to be wanting to do is to access your templates. So to do this, you can just close that and open the templates. And here we've got the templates as well as a list of the templates that we've already got in there. Now, each template has a set of rules which you can manage. They've also got some select features so that you can delete and set up bulk forwarding. What forwarding is if you've got a template that you want every time it's submitted to be forwarded to you, you can set up forwarding and provide an email address, and it will automatically forward that template to you, the filled out template. The other cool thing is that when you click a template, you can choose to enable or disable the rule, and we can just get rid of that, and we can upload, and we can focus on using the free template that we have provided for training. And now that that's uploaded, it's as simple as that. We now have access to a fully uploaded template. So it's as simple as that, guys. If this video resonates with you, if you've got any questions or if you're struggling to upload PDFs, if you're using another system and you want us to try out Sign365, please let me know in the comments below and give it a like. Cheers. Bye.